Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and yes, you're seeing a white GoPro Hero 7 Black. So basically the same as the Hero Black, but in a limited edition Dusk White, which kind of like the look of it. Been loving my GoPro Hero 7 Black, and if you are interested in getting this white, there's also a special that you can get the GoPro Shorty free. It's a $39.99 value. It's basically a pole extender slash tripod, and I have that as well. So check it out. You can get more information. Click on the link, and all the specs from what it looks like are going to be the same, just other than it's a limited edition just with the white. So very, very cool. Let me know if you have any questions, and looks like GoPro is just trying to create a little buzz in the marketplace with this white. Probably quite a number of requests for it as well. All right, everybody, have a great day. Enjoy your GoPro. See you in the next video. Take care.